This guide will walk you through the process to EU VAT Validation Options. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EU VAT. Go to Validation and Progress. Validation Options. Enable the section. Enable Validate at Sign-up form. Rewrite message if VAT not valid. Enable first validation method. Enable exempt VAT for valid numbers. Enable check country by IP. Click Check company name. Enable this will check if company name matches the VAT number. Enable this will check if country code in VAT number matches billing country code. Set progress messages. Click Add progress messages. Enable Add progress messages option. Enable section. Find EU VAT settings. Click Customer EU VAT number. Click Validate VAT and remove taxes. Click Check VAT number. Click Open VIES to validate VAT. Click Save changes. Thanks for watching this video.